Hey guys, it's Jacqueline and Roselle with Middle of the Magic Travel, and we're going to show you around our room at the All-Star. So this is a value resort, and you can see over here we have our beverage caddy area with our fridge and coffee, and nice drawer with all of our coffee and tea in it. And for here we have a queen size bed, and over here is a Murphy bed. So when it's not in use, it's a table and chairs. And then when we remove the chairs, it is another queen size bed. Can see. So it does sleep 4 very comfortably. We have our nice television and all new laminate flooring, so no carpet. And actually this is a really great bathroom. There is a lot of storage for all your toiletries, and the bathroom area itself with the toilet, it's very modern as well, lots of space. All right, I hope you enjoyed this tour. See you soon.